Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your partner on the Flow application on Android or iOS. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Flow app. Make sure to log in or sign up. Now once you've signed in or logged in, you'll be taken to the main page here. From here, navigate on the bottom and click onto where it says partner. So as it states here, share your pairing code. So your partner will receive a link to download the Flow app. He'll then use the code to pair your profiles. So we can go ahead and click on send pairing code and then send this person to your partner, and then your partner will go ahead and download the app and use that code to sign up to Flow with, and then that's how you link your Flow application with your partners. So once the code is entered, your accounts will be paired, allowing you to share your cycle data. But there are some important notes here, so some age requirements. So both users must be at least 18 years of age or 20 in South Korea to use this feature. Your partner will have access to your cycle data but cannot edit your entries or view personal notes and symptoms. You can stop sharing at any time as well. So once sharing is stopped, your partner will no longer have access to your data.